Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I am going to teach you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. This might be easier than you imagine, so let's get into the video. The 3x3 has mainly three types of pieces: the edges, corners and the centers. Here, like I am going to show you, the centers are attached to the main core, the main mechanism of the Rubik's Cube, by these spring, metal and plastic pieces you can see here. So all of these dots in the center of the cube are centers. Then these are the edge pieces which I am pointing at right now. These have two colors and are 4 on each face of the Rubik's Cube. These are the edges and they have two colors. Now these are the corner pieces. They are in the corner of the cube and they have 3 colors. Each face has 4 corner pieces and the entire cube has 8 corner pieces. So now you have learned that. Let's learn all of the basics now. Blue color is always opposite to the color green. White is to yellow, orange as to red. Remember this as it is very important for you. Red is opposite to orange, blue is opposite to green and white is opposite to yellow. Actually the center pieces are opposite to each other, so you might remember that. Now if you move the right side upwards, it will be called an R. Right side up, it is an R, like this. Moving the right side downwards, it is R prime, so it is denoted as R with an apostrophe. It is like this. Now moving the L side down is L. It is actually opposite, so moving the L side up is L prime. It is opposite to R, so it is L prime. Moving it up, what these moves are basically, on that edge if you do a clockwise turn from R side, it will appear that it is moving downwards for left, upwards on right. So a U move is like this, moving the up side towards the left, that is U, and the opposite of that is U prime, which is moving the upside towards the right. Now moving the downside towards the right is D, and its opposite is D prime, which is moving the downside towards the left. Moving the front side clockwise is F, like this, and moving it counterclockwise is F prime. Now R, L, U, U prime, D and D prime. This was a F, F prime. This was a quick recap. So now with this we learned few of the algorithms, like they are on the screen. They are basically a set of letters which you can read. As you know, each letter depicts a move on the side of the Rubik's Cube. So the algorithm now you have to learn. There are two. One is the right algorithm, which is R, U, R prime and U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. Repeating this algorithm 6 times will solve your Rubik's Cube. So if you repeat this algorithm 6 times and your cube is not solved, you will notice that you have done something wrong. So you have to learn this algorithm, which is very important. It is the right algorithm. The second one is left algorithm, which is L prime U L, L prime U prime L U, L prime U prime L U. This is also very important, just as the right algorithm, but on the left. You have to learn both of these algorithms for you to be able to solve the Rubik's Cube. So there is no option. So now let's scramble up the cube. We are now ready to scramble it up. Once you have learned all of these algorithms, you can scramble the cube. Now first we do the white side. We have to make a white plus sign like I am showing here. So you have to realize if is there any white piece, white plus piece, white which is white edge piece on the top. So you just move the U layer till it is aligned with its center. Now we want to take this white piece down towards the bottom layer, the D layer. So we do it like this. We turn it so it is on the down. Now this is white and blue, so we want it here, so we take it under the blue center with white center on the top. Now we do D prime, move the middle layer down, D, and move the middle layer up. Now we have solved two of the pieces. So now you might realize there is a white piece on the D layer, but it is facing the yellow and not facing you. So you will match the center color of the other color of the edge piece and do a R2 or a U2 to solve it. Now we will solve this orange piece just like that. Now our plus sign is complete. Now for another example solve for you. Here on the white side we have unluckily got no pieces, so we will build all of them. Here is a white and green piece with white facing you, towards you. So we will take it under the green center as it is white and green. We do D move the middle layer down, D, and then the first piece is solved. See another piece, when it is in the down layer, it is white and blue, so we bring it there and we do the move I told you to do. Now we have solved two of the pieces. Now you may realize there are no pieces on the bottom layer, the D layer, so we do an F or an L. So doing F like this will break this edge piece. So we do F like this, so it will be on the D layer. As you can see, the white is not facing you but the bottom. So we match the center color and do R2, and that piece is also solved. Now with the last piece we solve it just like all the other pieces. And your white cross or white plus is complete. Now we move on to second step. We hold the white cross at the bottom. Now we pair all of the corners. Look for any white corners on the U layer. We can find one there. It has white, red and green. So we take it over white, red and green centers. So it should be inserted over there. We can do U2 to get it in line. Now we repeat right algorithm till it is solved and it is completely in place. See, it is in place but it has to be flipped, so white side should be up. So we keep doing the right algorithm till it is like this in its place. So it is very important to do the U move, the ending U move in the right algorithm. Most people do not do that, but that causes them to shuffle up their cube and not able to do it properly. So the U move is very necessary. Now with doing the right algorithm, we have solved two of the corners. Now we move on another corner which is white, red and blue. So we take it over that three centers and do right algorithm till it goes in place. Now for the last corner we do a right algorithm and it goes in just like that. And now we have first layer of the cube complete. Now once you have done the first layer, find for any edges which do not have yellow on the top layer. This has yellow, this has yellow, this piece doesn't has yellow. So it will go right here on the right side. So we will turn the U layer towards the left, do a right algorithm. So we done a right algorithm, so we'll turn the cube towards the left and do a left algorithm. So it will be like this. Take this piece, put it over the center so it matches. It will be put towards the left, so we do the left algorithm and then the right algorithm like this. The left algorithm, move the cube towards the right and then right algorithm. Now search for another piece. There is no piece, it is stuck here, but we have to flip it. So we do right algorithm, turn the cube, left algorithm, and now the piece is on the top. It needs to go to the right, so we will take it to the left, do right algorithm, left algorithm, and that is complete. Now for an example solve of that, the example solve will be mute solve, so you can concentrate. Let's go. Now is the undoubtedly the most hardest part of solving the Rubik's Cube, the last layer. So with the last layer you might have these patterns. We have to make a cross or the plus first. You might have 4 possibilities, just a dot, 2 edges done, but rest of the edges are not done. There is a single line there just like this, or else there is another option. The entire cross is already completed and you are extremely lucky. So let's start with the first one. We have to do an algorithm for that. F, R, U, R prime, U prime and F prime, which is F, right algorithm and F prime. I will repeat it again here, and it should solve the cube to its original state by just repeating it 6 times. So if you get the dot case, hold it like this and do this algorithm. Now it will bring the 2 edges on the top just like this case. So how to solve the dot case, and this is dismissed. So if you do this, hold the L sign at the top left and do the algorithm just I have shown you here. So you know how to solve the 2 edges case. Now for the line case, and also remember the corners right here do not matter. After you have done this line, you repeat the algorithm F right algorithm with the line horizontally, not vertically. So we completed the cross, and of course the corners don't matter. So this is exactly as the case on the other cube. Now the next step is aligning all these edges to their centers. For example, here you might see red is aligned, but all of them are not aligned, rest of them. So we move the U layer till 2 of them are aligned. Any 2 can they be. So you move the up layer. Now none of them are aligned. You move it again. Only 1 is aligned. You move them again. Now see, both of them are aligned. From there you do another algorithm which is known as soon, which goes like R U R prime, U R U2 R prime. Now it is very important to learn this algorithm, R U R prime, U R U2 R prime. So as you know, this is a very important algorithm. So the next step will be, now once you align those 2 edge pieces, keep them to the right and do the right algorithm, and you may notice all these are fixed. So Now we only worry about the corners. Now see, this corner isn't supposed to be here. The other corner should be in its place. So we use another corner flipping algorithm. Now this is a solved corner, so we keep it on the left side and do this algorithm: R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L U. Now see, these corners are on their spot where they should be, just they should be flipped. For an example, I can show you on this cube. You do that algorithm. So the one of the corner is solved. So we keep it on the left side and repeat this algorithm. So now all the corners are solved. For another example, we can look here. We do the soon algorithm and then we repeat the corner fixing algorithm just like this. If it doesn't happen on your first try, keep repeating the algorithm until the corner gets back in its place. So once you have done it on all the cubes, or one cube you have practiced enough, this might be very easy for you. Now take the cube, hold this on the side, actually down, and take the corner which is not solved should be facing you, and you repeat right algorithm until it is fixed like this. It is solved. Now we move the down layer to an unsolved corner and repeat right algorithm. And congrats, you have successfully solved your first Rubik's Cube. If still it is not clear to you, I will show you again. Pick an unsolved corner, do right algorithm until it is solved like this. Then move the D to another unsolved corner, repeat the right algorithm. And of course, just as I tell you, the U in the right algorithm is very necessary and is very important. For this, we do the same. Repeat right algorithm, this corner solved, take in another corner and do the right algorithm and repeat it till the entire cube is solved. So that is how you solve a Rubik's Cube. See you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. So bye.